Hey guys, today we're going to do a full body workout. Let's get started. Okay, let's begin with those feet out wide. We're going to start with a pulse lift. Whenever you get to the top, you really want to squeeze here, keeping that core super tight. And I'm going to come up onto my tiptoes, lifting those heels. If you want to leave the heels on the ground, you can modify there. We are doing a full body workout, so remember to breathe and take a break if you need to. So super active here, that whole body is strong. We're gonna keep moving, keep breathing. We are almost done. You got it. Pulse, lift. Core is still tight. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. So we're still standing here. We are going to go ahead and take those hands behind the head and start those standing crunches. So the goal here is to try to keep the chest lifted, drawing the knee up. So belly button to spine, really strong in the core. And just make sure that you are dropping those feet pretty lightly. You don't want to drop them too heavy. And again, your breath is moving, staying super active. If you need to take a break, do that. If you need to move a little bit slower, go for it. Doing good. Keep breathing, keep moving. We are almost done here. Push through it. Okay, moving on to the next one. We're gonna come onto our back and we're gonna start those sit-ups here. So I want you to stay really strong in the core. And if you're not super strong yet in that belly, that is okay. You can use a little bit of momentum if you need it here, but try to use that core to lift you. Really strong when you come down, really strong when you come up. If you need to move slow here, go for it. Try to roll it down slow. Beautiful. Just a few more here. Awesome job. So the next one is going to be flat on our back. We're going to keep the shoulders lifted and we're going to start with our switch kick. So these switch kicks, we're going to do pulse, switch. Pulse, switch, pulse. Perfect. I like to breathe out every time that I bring that leg in. So 2 breaths out, 2 breaths out. But just go at your own pace here and breathe as you need it. Try to keep that breath moving. If you need to set your head all the way down to modify, go for it. We are almost done here. Doing great. So this one, we are gonna come into a side plank. If you need to modify, you can set a knee down. The main thing here is keeping that core super tight. We're gonna move a little bit slower here to stay super controlled. So elbow to knee, reach. Elbow to knee, reach. Pressing out of that palm, out of the shoulder, lifting through that side body. So you can see here that my side body is super active. I'm keeping those hips lifted. So I like to set a foot down and then come into that crunch. If you want to keep the foot lifted, you can. Almost done here, you got it. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the opposite side. So again, here you have your modification if you need it. Make sure you're not dumping into your shoulder. So really press away from the mat here. We're reaching, bringing it in. Reach, bring it in. And again, you can hover that foot or you can set the foot all the way down. And if you like to stay in that advanced position, but your wrist is hurting you, then you can always come down to your forearm, just press away from the mat and still use that core here. Think belly button to spine. Long, deep breaths. So for this next one, we're gonna reach one arm up, one leg back. We're gonna crunch it all the way in, reach, take it out, bring it in. Crunch it in, reach, out, in. Bring it in, reach, out, in. So the main thing here is keeping your core super tight. So belly button to spine. You wanna make sure you're not dumping into that low back, and you wanna press the ground away with that palm. So come out of the shoulder, think lift away from the mat. If you wanna go a little bit slower here, go for it. Keep going, almost done here, breathe it out. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the opposite side. So same movement, just opposite side. Press out of the mat here. It's easy to relax in this position, but you want to make sure you stay out of that sway back. So if you're feeling a hammock in the low back, I want you to draw the belly in. To remind yourself, you can always bring that palm to your belly button and draw the belly in toward your spine. Beautiful, keep breathing. Almost done here. Just go at your own pace. Okay, we are gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. And we're gonna move into a plank pose. We're gonna start to run it out. So I want you to go as slow as you want to here. If you wanna modify, you can always just bring the knees right behind the hips and set the knees gently onto the mat, just keeping your core super tight. If you are gonna be in plank, make sure you're pressing away from the mat. And you can go as slow or as quick as you like here. Just really try to burn it out. Doing great, everybody. We are almost done. Push through it here. So for this next one, we are gonna come back into that tabletop, sending that right leg back, and we're gonna lift and lower. So I want you to think about keeping your hip bones in line. So look at those hip bones and make sure that that right hip stays down in line with the other hip. You're kicking up, that heel comes up, and you're squeezing at the top, still pressing the ground away and drawing that belly in. Let's go ahead and move on to the opposite side. Same cues here, hip comes down. You're kicking that heel high, but keeping the hips in line, belly into spine. So I like to keep a little bend in my elbows here because I hyperextend. We are almost done. Keep going. Squeeze at the top. Keep going. Great job. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to our last one for today. We're gonna flip onto our back. So this is a really simple one. Hands behind the head, just like a hammock. Start to lift and lower. So think about having an apple in between the chin and the chest. You want to keep your chin away from the chest here. Elbows wide, root into the feet. And just breathe it out. Really focus on that core here every time you come up. When you lower down, press that low back into the mat. We are so close to being done. Just burn it out. You got this. All right, everybody, great job today. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.